Here's a concise overview of physiology of the spinal cord. The spinal cord is a part of the central nervous system, acts as a communication pathway between the brain and body. The major roles are sensory input through ascending pathways, motor output through descending pathways, and reflex integration. The conduction pathways. Ascending tracts carry sensory information to the brain. Examples include spinothalamic for pain and temperature and dorsal columns for touch and proprioception. Descending tracts carry motor commands from the brain. Example, corticospinal tract for voluntary movement. Reflex integration in spinal cord. The spinal cord processes many reflexes without brain involvement. These reflexes enables fast protective responses. The components of a reflex arc include receptor, which detects stimulus, sensory neuron or afferent neuron, which carries message to spinal cord, integration center or interneurons in the spinal cord, motor neuron or efferent neurons that sends command to effectors. Finally, the effector, which responds to stimulus, that is muscle or a gland. For example, in a withdrawal reflex or flexor reflex, touching a hot object is a stimulus. Skin nociceptors are afferent receptors. Response is shown by pulling the hand away via muscle contraction, and the purpose of reflex is protection from injury. Whereas a stretch reflex, for example, patellar reflex, maintains muscle tone and posture. Tap on patellar tendon stretches quadriceps. Reflex response is quadriceps contraction, commonly used in neurological examinations. Autonomic reflexes involve internal organs like smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, glands. For example, baroreceptor reflex for blood pressure regulation typically involves spinal cord and brainstem. To recap, the spinal cord is a complex yet beautifully organized structure central to motor control, sensory perception, and reflex actions. Understanding its functions lays the groundwork for exploring spinal disorders, injury mechanisms, and neurological assessments. Thanks for listening. Stay curious and keep learning. Subscribe and follow us for more high-yield medical videos.